So in this kind of problem, first thing we do is to see what are the variables we have. We have force on the y-axis, displacement on the x-axis. Object starts from rest, so the initial velocity equals to 0. We need to find the speed of the object at a distance s1, which is the final velocity v. The answers or the choices we have combined force, displacement, and mass together. So as I usually do in any graph problems, see, am I going to use a slope or the area under the graph? And if I'm going to do the slope, so this will be a change of y over a change of x, which is change of force over a change of displacement. If I'm going to check the equations I have or the book, there is no meaning for that. So it's meaningless. I can't use the slope here because it has no meaning. Regarding the area, it is the change of y multiplied the change of x. Simply you can use that. Of course, we're dealing with the integration of y regarding x, but simply it's y multiplies x. So it's force multiplies displacement that will give you the work. Okay, so the area has a meaning. So the area of this graph means the area under the line, which is the area of this triangle. So area is half multiplies base multiplies height. That will give me the work. Okay, what the work can do with the choices here? The choices here combine force, mass, and we need to find the velocity. So of course, I'm dealing with the kinetic energy equation, not the potential energy equation, because we know that the work is the change of energy. Which kind of energy, which equation of energy I'm going to use depend on the given or the requirements we need to find. So we're dealing with velocity and mass. These only exist in the kinetic energy equation. So the kinetic energy equals to half S multiplies F. So half S multiplies F equals kinetic energy, which is half mv squared. Of course, half will be cancelled with half, m will go to the other side, or we can divide both sides by m. So it will be v squared equals sf over m. That will give me velocity equals to square root fs over m, which is choice